Hello everybody, you are on AndriyTech channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install FydeOS on your laptop or PC. All the process are very simple, you need just repeat after me. So before the video start, please like it and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, it will help me a lot. So let's go. For the beginning you need to open your browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then write next, FydeOS and press enter. Now you can see the official website of this operating system. Link will be in the description. Click here, FydeOS logo. In the main menu you will see phrases and words that tell us why FydeOS is so cool. I like the design, it's very simple and cute. Looks nice. In order to proceed to the next stage of download, we need to click here. Now we need to pick our FydeOS. For example, I have Intel Core i5-3340M processor, so I will select the first option. It will be perfect for me. But if you have a newer processor, you can choose another option that suits you. At this page we can download FydeOS archive. Also we can see information about version of our operating system and the latest updates. How you can see it was at 2022. I recommend you click on the first link. And now you can easily download FydeOS archive. The file has almost 2 GB of memory. You need to wait until it will download. And during this time I will show and tell you how to install it on a flash drive. The site has a special guide in which everything is described in detail. We recommend using BalenaEtcher to flash OS image to SD card or USB sticks. BalenaEtcher is a tool that helps user quickly flash OS images file to USB devices or flash memory cards, and can be used in all major operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and mainstream Linux distros. This tool is beautiful design and the interface is friendly. I believe you will be familiar with its simple trilogy operation immediately. You can download the BalenaEtcher installation packet for Windows, macOS or Linux from BalenaEtcher official website. So guys, everything is very simple, we just need to click here and download this program. At this page we can choose our operating system. In my case it's Windows 10. So I just click on it and just wait until it downloads. After we download our file, we can install BalenaEtcher program. But before I do this, I will insert my USB drive in a laptop. This flash drive have 32 GB of memory, but actually you need only 8 GB, so it's not a big deal. Attention! All information will be deleted. Then you can run the program. Repeat after me. Wait until it is installed. Next you will see a window where you can select our archive, and you can also select our USB drive. Everything is very simple. Choose our file, check whether you have chosen the right drive and press flash. Then the installation process will begin and you will only need to wait. Don't press anything else. It's very important. Do not close or click on any windows that appear. Once everything is installed on the flash drive, you need to safely remove it. You can see how to do it right on the screen. Just repeat after me. Now we need to insert the flash drive into our laptop and go into the BIOS. Then in the setting, we put the flash drive in the first place. Save all the changes and restart the device. After rebooting, you may see the following message: Invalid partition table. Don't be worried about that and just press enter. Wait until the whole process is over and do not press any key. So now you can see FydeOS logo. You need to wait a bit until everything loads, and then you can choose the system language and keyboard layout. OK. Get started. Then you can install FydeOS on your hard drive or flash drive. In this case, I will install it on our HDD. And let's move on. Then install it as a single operating system. Important: all information from the hard drive will be deleted. As you can see, a 500 GB hard drive has been selected on which our operating system will be installed. Click Next and wait until FydeOS is fully installed on your computer. After installation, restart the system. Be sure to return to the BIOS to put the hard drive in the first place. Save all the changes and restart the laptop. Press enter. Now this operating system is booting from the hard drive. In fact, we have already installed it. Now we formally chose the language, connect to the internet and register. But you can log in simply through a local account, like I just did. And voila! Now you can use FydeOS on your laptop or PC. My congratulations, friends! You already know how to install FydeOS on your laptop or PC. If this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Goodbye everyone, we will see you soon.